15-13, Portland back in front. LeBron turned the corner, inside! He made Yusuf Nurkic a screensaver! 15-14! Bosnian army to stop LeBron James. Listen to it again with force. Out on point guards, loves that challenge. Oh, he picked his pocket. Here comes LeBron, gathering, Green up top. Oh, St. Vincent, St. Mary!
And he does a lot of protecting the rim, and LeBron James with the left hand throws the hammer down.
Look at this baby again. Yow! He just had to adjust it. Matthews again with straight. LeBron's got the matchup against Dirk. Puts him on rollerblades. Inside! LBJ! Bruising egos in the rim.
James whips that pass. J.R. Smith. His runner is up. James! Follow!
There's another highlight. We have so many highlights in this game here at both ends.
That means triple-double coming.
LeBron inside! As he crushed it. Listen to this. Pried loose against the bonus. LeBron James, they want to push, obviously. That's why! As he crushed it again!
LeBron gets the turnover and takes off down the floor. They part ways, and he throws that hammer down. LeBron James being aggressive in this first quarter.
The slowest in the NBA, so therefore someone needs to communicate, get back early.
Here's the lead pass into the first slam by James. And that's his first field goal, and that is.
It's it alive, and it's claimed by Crowder. Gets it ahead for James. Like a locomotive, LeBron James! A major rack attack!
LeBron James high through. That's a look from Yesmo presented by Nissan. And oh, this man is on a mission.
Nobody knew where that ball was going but double T.
LeBron faked it. Saw a lane right down Euclid. Engineer Tomez. So moving on.
Yes, LeBron James.
Third in the rebounding rate behind Drummond, Whiteside in Miami.
There's James on the drive, and he stuffs. LeBron James puts it down.
Somebody who rolled his ankle. He looks pretty good here in the second quarter as he uses his physicality on the drive. Trevor Ariza has no chance against the strength.
JR missing twice. Dwayne Wade in. Hey! LeBron James down the alley.
James.
With, oh!
Uh-oh. Oh. Well, if you didn't like the two-hander, how about the left-hand swing dunk?
And they're getting this inner defense on, using it.
Good thing that they were able to do that.
Celtics will go home after the goal. What a spin move by LeBron! What a play! Corkscrews for two. Magic.
Oh, what a beautiful move. Smart tries to go for the steal. LeBron James just a step ahead of him. Nice little pearl move. And how about the finish?
A little bit of a chance here for the Hornets. Down by 7. James with an education in elevation. Great anticipation here by James.
And they called that on Kevin Love, but wow. He's just got such a anticipation, intelligence about the game.
Not quite there.
Here comes LeBron. Inside and a thumper.
LeBron James throwing a hammer down. The first time out.
Enjoy this with some rim damage. Here comes LeBron. Going right at Fournier. Oh, mouse in the house. It's Big Chuck against Little John. 22-10. Timeout. Nope. Like the French Foreign Legion is what it could be used. Back in a moment, the difference is 12.
Cavs get the possession.
Just 18 inches of space there. LeBron James! I mean it! Get out of my way! Throw down! Crowder picked up by Marketing. On the hard cut! LeBron James hurt the rim and hurting feelings!
He is who he is. He knows how to play without the basketball. LeBron James throws the hammer down.
Take that, Scottie Pippen. He was an assistant coach at the time. And ironically, winds up playing for about LeBron James! Oh, they felt that in Loudville! Into this.
Oh, he did get fouled.
Way to a cutting. LeBron James! Absolutely jelly to peanut butter. You love it every time.
They know how to play together in this quarter. Hart is watching Love, who feeds LeBron right over Randall. And he was like a bowling ball knocking down pins.
Played over 28 minutes.
Pass knocked away by LeBron James with Jose Calderon. Here comes the Love. You knew it was coming from Jose. Jose, do you see? Portland winning the rebounding battle by 2 so far. Crowder with a steal off the bad pass. LeBron James on a two-hand pressure. They heard that in Loudville.
Coming down on the brick, catches LeBron off the side of his eye, and LeBron takes it in strong. Good pass, Calderon cleared him out.
Took it away from the much taller Ersan Ilyasova. LeBron inside again with total disdain for anybody's feelings. Look at this and listen to the ferocity on the finish. I mean, what do you do?
Yeah, there was nothing you can do. Oh, yeah, he definitely is playing at all-star level.
Jair, good look to LeBron James! Ripping it! Holding shaker here.
Playing without the basketball, LeBron James can play with it or without it. Getting the job done. Good pass from JR.
Got to give some of the credit to the Nuggets defense. James drives and finishes.
I think it's going to be a half court, right down the lane dunk. That's my thought.
Or an alley-oop maybe on the way as we get warmed up from Isaiah Thomas.
Youth defense, they are awful tough on the offensive end of the floor. They sees them, the motion. Isaiah coming around the pick with a little lob to LeBron. LeBron throwing a hammer down. Boy, they got a lucky break that time because he had a point-blank layup.
Shook his head in dismay.
LeBron inside, right down you, but he reversed it.
LeBron wasting no time.
Time for a Rocket Mortgage confident play of the game so far.
Shot blocker, rebounder, can score the ball so that you can't leave him.
James powers it down with the right hand.
Let me tell you,
The James hammer.
yeah, just watch how it opens up. Nice fake. All right, to freeze the defender, and then there it is right there. Now he's going strong.
LeBron did a good job of acting like he was going to contend the shot and backed off at the last minute.
Here comes LeBron weaving his way inside on a rim wrecker. 7 to shoot. No movement on the weak side. Oh, he was looking for a pump fake inside.
Fake, got him a bird. Straight to the basket with a dance to the hoop.
Yep. Jordan just couldn't help himself.
And he got a good look at it. They didn't win a state championship in Louisiana. They lost in the semis, but Peyton liked it so much, he kept growing. LeBron James in a steal. No one will come near it. 82-60. Burn Akron rubber. And LeBron James on the solo mission.